carries whispers, soft and low, through hollow streets where we used to go. A lamp flickers faint, casting ghosts on the wall. Echoes of laughter, now barely a call. Oh, the shadows we knew, they linger, they stay, tracing the footsteps we left in the clay. Once we were golden, now faded and gray. Oh, the shadows we knew, they won't fade away. Your hand in mine, a fleeting embrace, the scent of rain still haunts this place. Windows are fogged with the breath of the past, moments like fireflies, too brief to last. How do you hold what's already gone? How do you sing an unwritten song? The shadows we knew, they linger, they stay, tracing the footsteps we left in the clay. Once we were golden, now faded and gray. Oh, the shadows we knew, and the hallway hums in a mournful tune. The walls hold the